grade 12. So I have this example for you for today. Alright, so look, under geometric sequences, okay? So you are given the sequence 1, 3, 9. It's a geometric sequence because you can see that in order for us to get the next following term, we multiply by a constant ratio, which is 3. So 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 7, n. Okay? So that's a geometric sequence. Alright, so the very first question says calculate which term will be equal to 243. The very first thing that you have to do there is to formulate the nth row of this particular sequence. So it's Tn. So for our answers, so we're going to say, let me just use red for answers, okay? So Tn is equal to AR to the power of n minus 1. This is A, guys, so sorry. So our Tn will be equal to A is 1 multiplied by the common ratio is 3 to the power of n minus 1. So this becomes our nth rule, but we're not finally yet to the answer. Okay? Look, which term will be equal to 243 in that sequence? So our term, remember I told you that our term is this. Okay? Yeah, so we're going to substitute for our term there 243, right? 243 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Now, 243 is equal to 1 multiplied by this, so this is this, the answer will be this, 3 to the power of n minus 1, right? Yes, so this is the same just as this. Alright, now, one thing that you have to do is to change 243 to be as a base of 3 and to so mean that to become an exponent, but the base it must be 3 to the power of something. Okay? Yes. So that you can equate the two so that you can move forward. Remember the exponential skills. Okay. Look. Now, what you have to do then is you can press on your calculator. 243 is equal to 243 and press shift and press fact. Okay, it's going to give you 3 to the power of 5. So mean that you can change 243 to become 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 1. And so the bases are the same of these exponents. So when bases are the same, meaning that you can solve the problem, okay, of the powers. So we have 5, we take 5 down, is equal to, take that down, n minus 1 down. So, and therefore, our n will be equal to 5 plus 1, 6. And that's how it goes. So, meaning that 243 is equal to T6. Okay? Yes, term number 6. 243 is term number 6 in this sequence. So, we can also check that by substituting n. Our n is equal to 6, n here, and n which is equal to 6 there. And just look, if we are going to get 243. 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 6 minus 1, so mean that 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5, or 3 to the power of 5 is going to give you 243. And that's how it goes. That's the end of our listening video. Have a great day. Cheers.